Good morning. This is my daily routine. I wake up at 4:30 a.m. I wake up at this precise time every day. I eat breakfast that is optimized for my morning schedule. I exercise to reach my preferred fitness level. I pack lunch and I usually do some good eating decisions during lunch, so I don't eat any junk food. I do some meditation mid afternoon. I top off groceries after work, which is a smart move. I clean everything as soon as I get home. I take a shower and I relax for the rest of the night. I usually listen to piano, jazz, or some meditational music. This is my daily routine.